This is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus. It comes with Yokohama 17-inch Avid all-season tires. It runs with a 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine with 283 horsepower. On the driver's side door, it comes with your power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. The Grand Caravan comes with premium leather and suede seating that seats up to 7 people. On the driver's side, you also get power seating and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. On the left, you have your voice recognition and your Bluetooth. Behind the steering wheel is your audio controls. As we move into the odometer reading, it has 22,233 kilometers. The Uconnect touchscreen is also featured in the Grand Caravan. It comes with AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we move the vehicle into reverse, it comes with a full rear view camera. It also comes with navigation to guide you wherever you need to go. The Grand Caravan comes with a climate control system that has a tri-zone, so you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear. The second row of the Grand Caravan includes 2 captain chairs. It can also be used for Sto N Go. As we move to the back, there are 3 additional seats. For entertainment purposes, we have a DVD entertainment system right here. And as soon as you're done in the back, we have a button that activates the power sliding doors. Moving to the trunk area, there's plenty of space with storage along the side. And just like the second row, the third row can be used for Sto N Go. Once you're done in the back, we have another button that activates the power liftgate. There you have it, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. If you like what you see, you'd like to come in for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come on down to Tower Chrysler. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.